it's RasPOUTINE, the poutine machine, the Alberta Curd Nerd. I'm in Airdrie, Alberta. Cheryl's Country Kitchen. I don't know where this is. There's a street sign over
Edmonton
there.
Trail and First Avenue Northeast.
Edmonton Trail and First Avenue Northeast. Cheryl, you sound like a sweet lady. Anyone with the name Cheryl. Well, I shouldn't say that. You could be a sweet lady. RasPOUTINE's right outside your restaurant. I'm coming, I'm getting your poutine. I'm gonna rate it out of 10 cheese curds. Let's see if it makes me blow my gravy. Here I am, it's me, RasPOUTINE. Got the poutine, Cheryl's Country Kitchen. It's a good sized poutine. We haven't looked at it yet. $8.35, which is a decent price, especially because it seems to be pretty large. The unveiling. Shredded. But I was informed I have to go back because they just hired a new chef. He's bringing his own poutine to Cheryl's next week.
Like from his house?
You never know. The chefs can be crazy. Just ask Donnie Wahlberg. I like this. Homemade fries, but they're thin and they're cooked well. They got a nice bit of crispiness to them, so that's good. It's not too salty. The gravy's, it's a poutine gravy, an actual poutine gravy. Shredded matzah, fries are good, the gravy's pretty good, not too salty. You know, it's a pretty standard poutine, good size. Cheryl's Country Kitchen, Airdrie, Edmonton Trail, and First Avenue Northwest. RasPOUTINE is rating your bits. The shredded matzah, the fries are good. It's a 6.5 cheese curds out of 10. Fries are really good. Gravy's good, not too salty. Shredded mozzarella brings it down a notch or two, in my opinion. So, yeah, 6.5 cheese curds out of 10.